Hold ang schedule ng SB19. Mukhang sa eroplano na nga titira ang grupo dahil na rin sa kaliwat kanan na kanilang concert and events. Wow! But anyway, medyo nalulungkot ang ilang mga fans dahil na rin sa mechanics ng pagbili ng ticket sa Fast Zone kung saan ay marami na nga rin po ang nag-aabang. Mula sa SB19 Facebook, Metrobank Card, 18 and fashion enthusiasts, are you in? Get first dibs on SB19X Francis Liviran Fast Zone tickets with your Metrobank credit card. Mark your calendars for the one-day ticket pre-sale on September 15, 2025, 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. More details to come soon via Metrobank Card social media pages. Metrobank is the official bank partner of SB19X Francis Liviran Fast Zone happening on October 26, 2025 at Araneta Coliseum. Siyempre, marami ang nalungkot dahil ang iba ay wala namang Metrobank card. But anyway, may chance pa naman. At the Filipino Music Award is with SB19 and P-Pop Pioneers and King SB19 are coming to the Filipino Music Awards stage. Join us in celebrating OPM's best and brightest at the Filipino Music Awards happening this October 21, 2025 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena and witness the highest honor in the Philippine music industry. Secure your complimentary tickets today starting 6 p.m. exclusively on Sari Sari Shopping. Presented by Modern Media Group Incorporated, produced by AJC Power Holdings Corporated, Music Media Partner Billboard Philippines, Media Partner Rolling Stone Philippine, Vogue Philippine, Lifestyle Asia, Mega Allure Philippines, V-Man Southeast Asia, and Nylon Manila. Nag-comment naman dito ang ilang 18 at tila meron silang babala. 18, maging matalino kung huwag munang bibili ng tics hanggat hindi naglalabas ng nominees. 18, please be vigilant and wise enough kung kailan kayo maglalabas ng pera. Perform only in an award show. They deserve better. Engage lang sa post ni OVP. Do not give doubt sa page mismo nila. If paid votings too, wag na tayong sumali. Purchasing power ng 18 nila sa kanila na yan. For SB19 only tayo. Kung gagamitin nila SB pues, magpagamit. Wag tayong magpagamit. Meron Fast Zone, October 26, kaliwat kanan na gastos. Please choose wisely saan man makaka-benefit din ang boys. Expect the unexpected Gento Kalmlimudan 2025. Nagtatanong ang mga netizen kung legit ba ito. Abang lang para malaman natin kung legit nga po ba. But anyway, mula kay Pub Code, Filipinos are really talented but yung output hindi po humahabol eh. The output hasn't quite caught up. Right now, we're really trying to impress because we know we really can do it. Isang Josh Bias naman ang nakatanggap ng napakagandang unan mula siguro sa kanyang ka-office mate. Well, yan po ang ating Showbiz Now update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.